Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today we're out here at Minden Off-Road Park, located on Highway 121, just south of Highway 35. Definitely an awesome place. We met Scott, the owner, and his wife. Very nice people. Definitely an awesome place to come to. The trails they have here are outstanding, and I definitely recommend, if you haven't been here before, you come out and give it a shot. You will not forget it. Guaranteed. With over 14 kilometers of trails on over 131 acres of heavily treed forest and beautiful landscapes, you will find a trail that suits your needs and your skill level. Minden Off-Road Park promises to be a challenge to beat, with muddy water holes, sudden drops, and climbs that make your heart skip a beat, and it does not disappoint. Coming here, you can definitely push your limits. But be aware, some of these trails can be the ultimate challenge. The owners of Minden Off-Road Park, Scott and Caitlin, have done a lot to make you feel at home. Their hospitality makes you feel like family, and I can't thank them enough for our experience. So if you're in the area and you want to experience the thrill of a lifetime, swing on by Minden Off-Road Park and say hi to Scott and Caitlin. But for now, come along for a ride on the trails with us, sit back, relax, and enjoy our adventure. we're back at the campsite here. We are now cooking. Look at those. They look awesome. Cooking outside. Snow's coming down. Well, guys, we finished the trails today here at Minden Off-Road Park. You know what? We had an awesome time out here. The place is absolutely beautiful. The new owners, we met them today. Scott and Caitlin are absolutely awesome to deal with. Yeah, I'm seriously impressed. We're staying in one of 4 bunkies with wood stove, no power. You don't need power if you're out here. We have an outside campfire. The only reason the Jeep's running right now is because we're charging some stuff. But yeah, awesome place, gorgeous. It's snowing pretty good right now, but definitely if you haven't been out here, I suggest you come out here and hit the trails, see what it's all about. Yeah, we're super happy here.